So my friend sent me this. Mom, Mom. And so I say this.
Allie, I'm not your mother. Why are you texting me like I'm your Sorry, Allie. This is Addison. You texted the wrong person.